What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. Today is Sunday. I hope you're having a nice Sunday, nice relaxing day. We are going to take a look today at some possible gems. Some of them are sleeper coins that not everyone's talking about, but yeah, we'll take a look at some different gems here. So click subscribe down here in the bottom right hand corner. Click my logo, click subscribe. I think today's the day you should finally subscribe if you haven't yet. So let's take a look first at what's first is curve, CRV. So this chart here, I do have some curve. I've been watching Credible Crypto talk about curve. Here is the chart on curve. You can see this same story with so many cryptos right now of what's coming. If I just drop that in there, I mean, it's so obvious. You have this big cup and handle. You're already broken out of the handle and you're looking to find support here where you're at now. So same story, you find support and then you're gonna end up with a technical target and you're just gonna measure the cup here. You can go all the way down here to this wick, move it out, and upon finding support after completing this handle, you're going to make a movement up for a number of reasons. I believe you will. It looks like it's poised for a 70% run. This is all on the daily. Currently right now, $3.56 on curve, CRV. We have Credible Crypto here. He's been talking about curve the last couple days. His first post, he says, oh, and 89% of all circulating curve is locked away for around 3.7 years. So when we do break out and everyone is clamoring to join in on the green candles, there's going to be a massive supply shock that sends price even higher faster. Get yours before it all starts. And then he posts a little picture here where it's talking about the curve that is locked for X amount of time. And here he says 19 hours ago, CRV baby. And then above this, he shows the floodgates have opened. The green region should now act as a support rather than the resistance, and any dips to 310 to 350 are gifts from the crypto gods, meaning 310 to 350 would be somewhere where you could accumulate and add to your position. It's a smaller cap coin, not a huge market cap, and with that being locked, it could make a run. We'll see. I do have some curve, and it looks like it should end up ready for continuation. I just showed you that there. Let's remove drawings. Let's go to the 4-hourly. And the 4-hourly looks good, and it looks like it's just coming back on a small correction with the rest of the market. The market's a little bit down today. You got Bitcoin around $60,000 flat. Could come back, bounce off the 20. Could just be looking for that support. Obviously on the 4-hour, you got a buy signal, not financial advice, but when the 20 comes up over the 55, the green over the red, that's just a buy signal on the 4-hourly, and it looks like it's ready for continuation. It's just coming down for this correction to make that next move up. So let us look at, curve, take a look at curve real quick here, CRV. So curve has a 1.5 billion market cap. So it's not super small, it's not super large by any means, but it being locked away, that's going to play into what's going on with it. Circulating supply, 426 million. Where can you get curve? You can get curve, Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, Gate.io, Binance. So, yep, that is curve. Let's cover the next one. Let's go to Casper. I do have some Casper. Let's take a look here. So Casper on the 4-hourly is under a bearish cross here. It has a green candle that it's doing, I guess, right now with a pretty large wick to the upside. It's trying to find some support through here. Maybe it has to find support there from this previous area, or maybe it's going to find it in here. We'll see. At any rate, Casper is a smaller project, 260 million, meaning it can 4x to a billion before it's even a decent size, before it's even like even close to the top 100 and hitting a billion. 10.8 cents right now. Looks like volume is moving up on Casper. Casper is, you can take a look at their website here.
We've built the Casper network to provide the existing and emerging blockchain ecosystem with a solution that makes no compromises and sets the stage for sustainable enterprise, consumer, and developer adoption. I'm Meta Parlikar, co-founder and CTO of Casper Labs, the team behind the Casper network. Previously, I've overseen multi-million-dollar tech stacks, including Adobe, Avalara, MP3.com, DivX, and many more.
I'm Rinal Manohar, co-founder and CEO of Casper Labs. We have assembled technology experts, business leaders, and experienced advisors from across the blockchain, enterprise, and cloud industries.
So that's a little bit about the some of the team behind Casper. Let's see here. Casper was built off the original CBC Casper specifications designed by Ethereum developers. Scalable, future-proof. Let's see here. The Casper is the native token to the Casper network. As a proof-of-stake blockchain, Casper relies on the CSPR to reward the validators that participate in the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism to secure and uphold the network. So the proof-of-stake, it's kind of a generation 2 instead of a proof-of-work like Bitcoin. So that is just a little bit on Casper. As far as the chart goes, let's zoom out a little bit to see what's really going on. First to the daily, let's reset. So Casper, this is kind of a wild chart, but Casper was all the way up here and Casper comes all the way down, and you can see kind of like Cardano, just look at all this consolidation through here. So still a small project at 260 million. We got to zoom in a little bit closer here. So right now, Casper could come down to 8.6 cents. It may or may not. It depends what the rest of the market does. Will it find support here and reverse this trend or not? Because I believe the whole market's been coiling up again. It's consolidating again. We're getting closer to November. October's starting to run out. Bitcoin lately has been consolidating over the weekends and then running during the week. That's happened now for a few weeks in a row. That trend definitely could continue. We will see what happens this week. Tomorrow's Monday. We'll see what happens. And if the market starts moving as a whole, Casper could definitely reverse this trend and make the movement up. But Casper is one of those coins that you could say, before it's a billion, it's a coin that you could get in early before everyone is talking about it. So that's just, Casper's another option out there. I do hold Casper. Let us take a look at XCUR. This one right here, I have a lot of XCUR. I think this one's gonna do pretty well. So XCUR here, I posted this on Twitter. I drew this out, and basically, let's see here. I'll just go to my Twitter. I said, after a big green candle, when XCUR Curate finds support in current area, it is poised to make a 50% movement up from completing the small cup and handle here. You can see my cursor. In doing so, it completes the larger cup and handle, which is this shape here, and for another movement upward of 85%. Market cap is only 33 million. Need I say more? So very small project. Curate is, the chart looks amazing. I took the screenshot and posted it here, and you're looking to make a large movement up. Not only that, let's take a look. Let's go to XCUR here. So now at 30 million. So right now it's on discount right now. It's down with the rest of the market, and that is fine. Let's go to the 4 hourly. So yeah, it's right on the support line that I've showed before. So it's finding support to complete the handle and move on. So XCUR, it is 30 million market cap, really small. That's pretty cool. There is only in circulating supply it looks like there is only 8 million, which is really small. That's almost 3 times less than how many Bitcoin there are. There's only 21 million total supply on Bitcoin, yet you're at 8 million here on Curate. Curate is connected to NFTs. Let's take a look at the website. So here's the website here. I am pretty impressed with the website. I like the layout of this. I like the design. I like everything about it. Gasless NFT and peer-to-peer marketplace. And then you can just kind of look through their website, and then they have just a graphic here that compares them to some of the other NFT marketplaces. Curate's chart looks amazing. The market cap is very small. I like their website. I like their layout. It goes through the team here if you want to read about that. Curate.style is the website. Tokenomics, roadmap, you can kind of look through that there. But I mean, 33 million is tiny. And if Curate makes some major moves, I mean, NFTs are the hottest thing right now. And the NFTs should run with and a little bit after the bull market. I mean, that's very possible. This one could be a major sleeper. I put a decent amount into Curate. Chart, like I said, chart looks good. Everything looks pretty good on Curate. So we're going to look at one more coin. We're going to look at Illuvium, ILV. Let's take a look at Illuvium. Now, guys, a lot of these coins I'm naming, you can get them on KuCoin or Gate.io. All you got to do is go to CoinMarketCap like we just were, coinmarketcap.com, search that coin, come down here, and look, it shows you all the markets. Look, KuCoin, Gate.io, just like I just said, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. But these two exchanges here, if you're not set up on these two, I would, and you're interested in this kind of thing that I'm talking about, I would recommend getting set up on these. Yeah, there's a lot of BS you got to go through to get set up. All the, you're like taking pictures of yourself with your ID in your hand and all this crap on some of these exchanges. But I think it's worth it to get certain coins because see how this list is smaller. Later, these coins that come out of here usually end up later on Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, some of the bigger exchanges later. So you can get some smaller coins on these exchanges. The interface is a little more complicated. If you're used to like Coinbase, the interface is more complicated. But guys, if you put in more work into crypto, the more work you put in to get these exchanges and find these early coins and get in, the better you will do. The more research you do and the more work you put in, you will get results with time. So that's where I'm getting a lot of these coins in this video. But Illuvium here, Illuvium is a game that is going to be coming out in Q1 2022. Illuvium is a gaming crypto, and it's one of the bigger, safer gaming cryptos to get into. That is, you're not trying to hit a home run, you're just trying to roll with the gaming crypto. So this is the chart right now. So far right now on the 4 hourly since October 13th, smooth as butter on the 4 hourly through here. It's finding support on the 20 EMA right now. Let us go to the daily and take a look at it. So Illuvium's pretty new. There's not a lot to see here, but looks like it's just kind of moving up. It's a pretty large. Let's just look at it on CoinMarketCap. It's a pretty large gaming coin right now. So market cap 511 million. Very, very liquid. Volume 40 million in 24 hours, up 10%. Here's the fully diluted market cap. So not small by any means at 500 million, you know, a 2x, and it's already closing in on a top 100 coin. So Illuvium, the game comes out next year. Here's the actual website, which is pretty cool. I love this logo, Illuvium. And you can see just some of the game here. There's some dragons and whatnot. People love these kind of games. I mean, everything from World of Warcraft to any type of like mythical type games. It can be Halo, it can be whatever. People love these types of games. Well, pretty cool trailer. Like I said, it's not a smaller game where you're trying to hit a home run, but it has less of a risk because it's a larger game, larger market cap. It's not ranked, you know, number 7,000 on the crypto list of the 13,000 coins there are. And it's not a coin where you're likely to just, not financial advice, but it's not a coin where you're likely to just for the price to just go down, down, down and just lose. So I do have some Illuvium. The game doesn't come out until early 2022. You can read about it on this website. This video, basically, I'm bullish on all the coins I named. Casper's chart looks a little rough. That's fine. I mean, look at the founders, look at the fundamentals. You know, you got the people from Ethereum on that team, and it's Casper's super early. You have to believe in these coins early. That's the only way. You can't always see a coin once it's already up way high, over $1 billion, or it's a large market cap coin, and then you want it. I mean, a lot of the time you're kind of just late. You're missing out on some of these coins. I don't know which coins in this video are going to perform and which aren't, but I do have all the coins in this video. I'm not trying to hype them up. I'm just giving you some options of maybe some coins that you might want to look to diversify even more. I believe you should have large cap coins, mid cap coins, and small cap coins, and you can grab NFT or gaming coins. Just having a variety of different coins, you'll be able to, the more diverse you are, the more you might be able to rotate profits, and the more you can catch the gains from some of these early projects. The coins in this video are all smaller cap coins. So, cool trailer. The fight for Ethang at the end is pretty cool on that trailer. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. We're going to release some more videos right after this. So that's it for this one, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.